how to print your boarding pass on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can print your boarding pass on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to visit the Hawaii Airlines website or the application. And then once you're on the application, the next thing for you to do is to log in into your account. And then how do you log in? By moving to the top right corner where you can see the sign in option. By the time you click on it, you'll be asked to sign in either using your username or your password. Ensure you sign in using any of this option. And then once you can sign in using any of this option, the next thing to do is to click on check-in. So after clicking on check-in, you'll be asked to enter in your ticket number, your confirmation code, as well as your last name. Enter it in, and then you take it and click on search. Then your flight will be displayed to you. Ensure you select your flight, and then you can now decide to select or upgrade your seats and all of that. And then you also be asked to pay for your checked bags. Okay, go ahead, make payment for your checked bags, and then you'll see access, you'll see your boarding pass. All right, at the end of the check-in process, you'll be offered an option to print your boarding pass. So simply hit the print button and wait for your boarding pass to emerge from the printer. Or you can, if you are using a mobile phone for the check-in process, just click on download a mobile boarding pass to your smartphone. Then you can now go ahead and print it wherever you want to. All right, so that's how it works. So for seamless travels, ensure you check in a day before your flight and pay for any bags in advance to avoid delay at the airport. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.